So this is the first problem from the percent yield worksheet, just to kind of show you how to do that, and then you should be good for the rest of the worksheet, right? So the equation is already balanced, and it gives you a value in grams for lithium hydroxide. So it's important, first of all, to make sure your equation is balanced. It is. So the first thing you need to do is to convert from grams of lithium hydroxide to moles of lithium hydroxide. Because, of course, you cannot directly compare grams to grams. So the molar mass from the periodic table is right there. And that gives us a total of 0.835 moles of lithium hydroxide. It's important when you're doing these kind of problems to label not only with moles but also with the identity, just so you can keep track of what is what. So we have moles of lithium hydroxide. So now we're going to figure out how many moles of lithium chloride we could produce. It's just a 1-to-1 ratio because the subscripts are just the coefficients are just 1-to-1. So it's the same number of moles of lithium chloride, but is it the same number of grams? No, it is not. So the next step is to convert from moles of lithium chloride to grams of lithium chloride. And of course, you could do all of this in a single step, a single multiplication and division problem. I just split it up for purposes of this video. So we end up with 35.4 grams of lithium chloride. And then part B asks for the percent yield. So percent yield, remember, is actual, which is given right there, I actually produced, over theoretical, which is what you just calculated. So we're going to take actual, the 6 grams given in the problem, and divide that by the calculated value, and that should be a big C, obviously, and that equals 16.94% yield. So the key things to remember: convert to moles first, use the coefficients from the balanced equation to get from moles of one thing to moles of the other. It's always what you want over what you have. And then convert to the grams you desire, the units you desire, grams. And then divide what's given in the problem by what you calculated.